Well, they were all right here a second ago. Now they're running all over the place. They're Shimmer's puppies. That's one under the chair. Ouch. Hey guys. Where's number 5? Oh, it hopped back in the whelping box. They're kicking out. There she is, or he is. Hi. Here's all 5. Hi guys. Hi. Hi baby. Hi baby. What you guys doing? Huh? What you doing? Watch out, your mommy will jump on you. Okay, alright. Alright, say bye. Quit your whining. Quit your whining. Oh yeah. There's everybody. There's everybody.